Hi, it's Nick from SquareKicker. Today we're going to show you a free feature you have access to when SquareKicker is installed on your site. In edit mode, when you hover over each block, Squarespace will show you the blue grid outline for that block, then click to reveal the tools. SquareKicker has introduced shortcut keys to speed up this workflow. To reveal the blue borders for every block on your site, hold down the Shift key. This is useful if you want to see the overall layout of your page. While holding the Shift key, hover over any individual block to instantly reveal that block's tools. You can use the edit features on Squarespace while continuing to hold the Shift key. This is useful when you want to align several blocks. Another feature is quick access to the SquareKicker tools. While holding the Option key on a Mac or Alt on a PC, hover over the block you would like to edit with SquareKicker. You will see the block border turn yellow, then click to quickly open the SquareKicker tools. Unlike the other SquareKicker tools which require an active plan, SquareKicker shortcut keys will work on any site where SquareKicker is installed, even if your plan has expired. We hope you enjoy these time-saving features.